So I've been kind of not wanting to make videos as of late, so figure, well, fuck it, we'll make one, and maybe that'll give me the kick and pants to make more. So I've got this fucking mess of parts that needs to be reassembled and put back on that truck. So that's what I'm going to do today. And probably time-lapse most of it, but stop to explain shit and move on from there. Alright, so we got it mounted. It's on a 5th scale stand that I bought from work and everything. Yeah, pretty standard stuff here. It's a Generation 1 5-tooth, the original engine. Put a tuned pipe on it, and really that's about it. I mean, other than doing a few updates of some parts. I mean, pinion's going to need to be replaced soon. Probably the front diff carrier is going to be shot. If you kind of see in there, it's a little wallered out, but we'll hope it holds together. The whole reason we're replacing everything is broken pinion. Yeah, so hopefully it all goes back together just fine. I'm not sure if I should time-lapse this part yet or not, so we'll wait until I actually get ready to start putting it all together. Right. The whole build process of this thing is a pain in the ass. The 5th scales are great because they're big and they're easier to work on until you have to get into the differentials. The differentials can be a pain in the ass. I mean, you can see how much I've really ran this truck. If you look at the diff cups here, they are worn out from running. I mean, that is some serious wear and tear on these. And you could just see how much these are walled out. I mean, there you go. Those are supposed to be around. So eventually these will be replaced. I don't have the parts for it. This is kind of a bashing truck. I don't really care too much about how it, when it breaks and how it breaks. It's not my racing truck. This is my racing truck and my racing body. So this one I'm a little more worried about and try to keep a little bit more cleaner. This one we just repair as it goes and run it and fix it as it breaks. So, all right, I will put this on time-lapse again and try to explain a little bit. I'll explain a little bit more. Essentially what we're doing is we're taking this pinion, this brand new pinion, and we're putting it in here so I can put, where'd it go? The drive shaft back on. The axle, there we go. This piece. And then this sits over the top, holds the pin in place. Somewhere, here's the pin. So, yeah, all right. All right, so we got the front end put back on. Hopefully this front end will stay together well. I mean, we'll find out. I don't know. It's one of those mysteries of life kind of deals. So, but we'll hold out hope that it all stays together and all this shit just, comes back together without problem. So far it looks like it will. Basically what I did is I reassembled the whole front end here by putting a new pinion in. And the next course of action will be to install the front skid plate. That's actually probably get done last because it sits in up here. Let's see. And this just kind of sits in like that. But that'll go on last. Well, that'll give us access to getting the sway bars back on, all this other extra bullshit back on, so that the car will run again. So, yeah, we'll put it back on time lapse and let loose with the rest of this. Alright, so here's what we got so far. I'm just getting the rest of the wheels put back on. Won't be able to take it out and run it just yet. We're going to be waiting till this weekend. I'll be heading out to a buddy of mine place. He's got a bit of a racetrack we've been building. And we're gonna, I can't actually do this one-handed. We're gonna see what it does out there. But should be a pretty good idea. I mean, There are a few things I would have liked to have tightened up on this, but unfortunately, the part that I really needed was misordered, so I didn't get it in. But if you put you right there, oh, doesn't like that. 1 second. That's perfect. If you listen closely. She does not sound perfect, but it'll work. There's a bit of, I put some grease in there, maybe it'll work itself in. We'll take it nice and light the first few passes when I get it out and running. But yeah, all it's left now to do is put the body on it. Alright, need to probably make some zip tie repairs, but forget the spark plug's still in the top. Slightly Dangerous is back up and running. Hope you enjoyed this video, as probably shitty as it is, but fuck it. I need to make something right now, right?